All right, what's going on, everybody? My name is Jonathan. Welcome back to my channel, Honor Your Temple. Got a good one for you guys today, man. Today we're just going to talk about fitness and its benefits on mental health and just building yourself up from a mental standpoint. I know for me, like, fitness was a huge foundation for not just getting me over some mental things and mental barriers that I was struggling with, but also in my spirituality and just connecting myself back to God and really getting myself in a place where a lot of the things that I felt God put in me to do, fitness was a huge seed of just kind of sparking those things inside me. And I believe it could be a big spark for you guys as well. So I want to talk a little bit about that, just how fitness really does help you mentally, some of the benefits you'll get from it in that aspect, because I think it could be a good benefit to you guys and will really help you in the long run. I don't know how a lot of you guys have been feeling. I know we're in 2024 now, so a lot of you guys, I know you guys have big goals, big plans, and certain things like that. And I always feel like the start of the year always starts off great, and the end of the year, everybody's like, this is like the worst year ever, right? I'll never understand why that is or what goes on, but I know a big thing as we talk about mental health in this video is there's a lot of things that's going to happen throughout your year this year that's going to be out of your control. Right, there's going to be situations, things, circumstances that may come up that can all kind of mess with you from a mental standpoint. But the one thing you can always control is your health and your fitness. And that's a big thing that I believe in. And it's one of the big reasons why I know no matter what is going on, what's happening, just the healthier you are from a fitness standpoint, from a health standpoint, it's going to help you manage and deal with a lot of these ebbs and flows that will happen through this year, through your life and everything, and the curveballs it may throw. So, big reason why I'm a big advocate, man, for getting in the gym, not just for your look and how you're gonna ultimately present yourself to the world, but from an internal standpoint, how it's gonna help you guys in this year and all the goals that I want you guys to hit. Fitness, make that a big one for you, because I know it'll be a big thing that can carry you guys no matter what goes on. All right, guys, so another big thing, fitness has been shown to help in a lot of ways in mental health, right? Just reducing your stress level, reducing cortisol levels and other things that inhibit a lot of stress, a lot of anxiety, a lot of fear, other things that you may go through. So you'll notice even as you start to come in and work out, just not only will you feel better, but just your overall, the energy that you carry in your body as you go through the rest of your day in your life as you work. I just know fitness, there's just a deeper level that it happens to you internally in your body as you begin to actually really focus on that, as you progress in that. And it's a trickle-down effect, because the discipline that ultimately fitness will create for you, it begins to show in every other area, in your work, your life, your family, your relationships. Everything kind of begins to foundationally be built on the fact that you are a healthy individual. And as you carry yourself as a healthy individual, as you act as a healthy individual, you deal with conflict better, your life begins to get better, how you process things gets better, your overall view, your goals, your determination, your overall confidence in you, all that stuff begins to elevate, which all can be a trickle-down effect on your mental health and how you move through your life. Another big thing too, how fitness will really help you guys just from a mental standpoint is, I think one of the biggest benefits to fitness is it helps you just create a level of discipline in your life. And discipline not just in your training and like your day, but in your diet as well. Because of course, as you begin to train more, you're gonna naturally start eating better. And the more that you fill yourself up with actual like healthier, non-processed and just better, higher quality foods, just internally what that does for you and your mental and your clarity and how you're able to think and go about your day. You're gonna feel more energized, you're not gonna feel as sluggish. You're gonna have the energy from your workouts and everything as well. And when you're thinking from a more clearer and a better standpoint, and you start creating that discipline, even from a spiritual standpoint, I think you're able to hear from God better. Your relationship with God is able to be stronger because your tank isn't empty, it's full. And whenever your tank is full, you're gonna move better. Same with like a car. When the car is empty, it can't go nowhere. When the car is full, you're able to get to wherever destination you need to go to because you have the gas to get there. And you'll have the stamina, you'll have the endurance, you'll have the perseverance to get through, all the roadblocks, the speed humps, whatever each of you guys' road may throw at you guys with the hurdles that you have to go over. But no matter what it is, as long as that gas tank is full, you'll have the ability to be able to manage and get through it. And I believe the same happens with fitness. As you begin to work out and your diet is better, all of it helps to just put gas in your tank, to be able to move, maneuver, take detours, whatever it is you have to do. You won't be scared looking at that meter, it's going empty. When things come at you, if you guys are dealing with, money issues, addictions, drug abuse, anything that can be going on in you guys' life, fitness can be that fuel to, of course, it's not going to ultimately help you get over it. You're going to have to take disciplinary actions, whether it's counseling, getting the help, having the self-accountability to yourself to try to push yourself through that. And that's probably the hardest part, is the self-accountability, is making sure that you can take the responsibility to get through whatever it is that you're doing and do what you need to do to get over it. And I think fitness could be something that, that is an area you're struggling in, that can help you start to really look for that and just encourage you and push you to begin to take those things and take those steps to get there, because you're just going to be moving in a much better, higher frame of energy and mind and clarity. So that's a big thing, man, the discipline and the self-accountability that comes with fitness that I think will really help you guys overcome whatever mental barriers you guys may be going through. Another big thing when it comes to just your mental health, right? I feel like one of the biggest things that really affects you mentally is going to be your rest and your sleep and just overall just general burnout with life. You know, rest is so important. Rest is so needed. I know in culture today, rest is not really something that's overemphasized in a way, but anybody that follows me in this channel, you're going to always hear me emphasize the importance of getting rest and sleep and working out in general and just being fitness oriented, keeping your body healthy, eating the right things, and actually generally making exercise a habit. One of the biggest things that will heavily affect is how well you sleep and how well your body really is at rest throughout, not just at night, but during your day as well. So that's a big way that fitness can kind of help you from a mental standpoint, is just being overall better rested, making sure your mental health is good, making sure that your mental is at rest a lot, because the better sleep you get, the better you're going to think, the more clear you're going to be able to move around in your day. So sleep is super important for anybody that's struggling with, you know, anything that may be hitting you mentally, whatever circumstance, whatever thing that it is, and making sure you're getting adequate amount of sleep is important, and fitness and wellness will definitely help with just your sleep habits and your sleep patterns. All right, man, so if I can leave you guys with anything, you know, when it comes to just your mental health, I know a lot of people just around the world in general, you know, we're all dealing with things, whether it be, you know, openly or secretly, that can be affecting you mentally, that can be affecting your overall, just your daily life, your quality of life, and keeping you from, you know, doing the things and pursuing the things that I know you have in your heart to want to pursue and that God's ultimately placed you on this earth to do. And your mental health is so important. You're looking at somebody that has definitely dealt with his mental battles, dealing with addiction and dealing with you know, a lifelong disease at this point. So mentally, we all go through those ebbs and flows with things, and it could be tough, you know, trying to get through it, trying to work yourself through it. There's many long nights and long days of just trying to, you know, wondering if you can even make it to the next day, you know, with just things that are going on in your life. And I just want to encourage you guys, man, fitness can be such a foundational thing that you can do alongside of, you know, just enhancing, you know, your relationship with God, praying, getting the help you need, getting a good community around you that can help you. All those things can be heavy foundational things, but if anything, for sure, you know, fitness is one of those things that can help you build the discipline, that can help you build the healthy mindset, that can help begin to fuel, you know, your life going in the right direction, in a healthy direction, to be able to help you develop the confidence in yourself, the self-image, you know, the getting the community around you with people in the gym that you may meet that can help you. I can think of my life and how it's led up to this point, and how many positive and quality people I've met just by having a lifestyle of fitness. A lot of things can come from doing this specific thing, including building a good relationship with God. You never know what can happen in your life and how God may use fitness for you. I know how strongly God has used fitness for me, and it's the one thing that I know could be a huge pillar for you. So I just want to encourage you guys, man, for some of you guys that are dealing with mental things, you know, get healthy, hit the gym, do a little workout. Don't have to be anything crazy like how you see me doing on my channel. Just simply going out for a walk, you know, getting a little exercise in 30 minutes to an hour a day, and just begin to build on that foundation on that, and continue to get better every day. I promise you, it can really be the thing that can help set you free from all the things that are, you know, plaguing you mentally, and help you become just a better overall being and present yourself better to the world. So that's my encouragement to all you guys, man. I hope you enjoyed this video and this workout. You guys did. Definitely be sure to leave a like and comment. I'd love to engage with you guys, give you guys any feedback, encouragement, prayer requests, whatever it may be. You know, just would love to be able to form a community with all of you guys and be able to stand with you and walk with you through this journey of life. Definitely be sure to hit the subscribe and the bell notification. I'm uploading new content every week, man. Honor Your Temple is all about, you know, just setting the foundation of fitness in a relationship with God in your life, because I want to just help you guys become the human beings that you want to be and become the purposeful human beings that God made you to be. And fitness is my way of being able to really set that foundation and give that message to you guys. So I speak through fitness is what this channel is about. We want you guys get healthier, get more fit, become that person you want to be. This is what Honor Your Temple is. If you want to become a part of this community, definitely would love for you guys to do that. So hit that subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I want to thank everybody for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.